So this short tutorial will show you how to set up and create a Noggle library. So start off the Noggle client, and once the screen pops up, you will see the Library Manager button. With the Library Manager button, you manage all your libraries and setting up new ones, editing existing ones, sharing ones. So once you press the Library Manager, you will see the menu with the libraries, with the connected one or new ones in your inbox here. So if you want to create a new one, go to the New button, press the New button, and the window to set up a new one will open. So give it a name. Give it a short description. This is for sure important if you start to share it, to explain a little bit what's in there. Choose your contact email, contact name. This is predefined by your account setting, but for sure you can change it. And the important thing now comes to specify which folders should be included in this library. So first of all, specify the content provider from this drop-down. So you will see the providers you can choose off. There we have Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive. So select from which provider you want to include your files and folders. File system also include all network files. And then press the Manage Folder button to select which folders you want to have indexed by this library. So you know this, how it works. So just select the browsers you want to include in this library, press OK. You will then see the folders, and all subfolders will be included here. Mainly that's all you need to do. However, there's an Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you can decide and select which file types should be included in this library. So there's a standard presetting, which you can edit here. So most common formats are included by standard. However, if you want to exclude specific files or file types, or if you want to add additional file types or extensions, just put it here in the list, and the extensions named here will be included from a file point of view. So there are additional information here. For example, this limits the storage size of the preview text included here. We would not recommend to change it here because it's half a megabyte. That's quite enough. This is an important information here because this defines the re-indexing interval given in hours. So this specifies in which interval the library should automatically be re-indexed in the background. So you just need to kick it off once, and in this case every 72 hours, which means 3 days, the library will be re-indexed automatically. This means that it will only look for changed or new files which will be then updated in the library. So the first indexing process might take a little bit longer. The re-indexing process will go quite quick because it's just updating the things. There are some cool features here. So you can activate the optical character recognition settings if you want Noggle to check each picture for characters in here. So there's an mathematical algorithm in here that it tries to detect the text inside of pictures here. The indexing process will take a little bit longer, but however, you can then find pictures later on just by text information here. Yeah, and there are some other settings here. They are more for the professional usage. So if you want to provide the library in a network where others also should have access to this library, without sharing the library itself, you can set it up as network library, but this will explained in another tutorial here. So in most cases, you even don't need to touch the advanced settings. So and if you're finished, just press the OK button. You will then see the message that the new library was created, and it just asks you if we should start indexing it now. So you don't need to do it now. It runs in the background, so we would recommend that you for sure kick off the indexing in the first process. The indexing monitor will show up, but this is just running in the background here. It now scans all these folders here. It's just finished, so in these folders we only had these 46 document, and that's all. So now you have your new library here available. You can select it now for searching and indexing according to the other things. You can start to share it, you can start to reset it, and this will be automatically re-indexed every 3 days automatically in the background. So this is it.